Next, let's do a problem that talks about the change in resistance with temperature. A nichrome heating element of a toaster has a resistance of 12 ohms when it is red hot at 1200 degrees Celsius. What is the resistance of the element at room temperature, which is 20 degrees Celsius? Ignore the changes in the length or diameter of the elements due to the temperature. So what are we looking for? We are looking for the change in resistance with temperature. So I have been given that the resistance is 12 ohm at temperature of 1200 degrees Celsius. And I need to calculate the resistance at T equals 220 degrees Celsius. Now how do I go about doing it? So I can pretty much say that R over R naught will be equals to rho L over A divided by rho naught L over A. Now the question gives me that L over A or L over A do not change. Okay? This means I'm left with rho over rho naught of what it was initially, right? What is rho? Rho is nothing other than 1 plus alpha delta T divided by rho naught. So this implies my R over R naught will be this. This goes away, and what do I get? 1 plus alpha delta T. Now what is delta T? Delta T is the difference between 1200 minus 20, which is 1180 degrees Celsius. Okay? Alpha is given by table 18.1 in our book, which will equal 94 times 10 to the minus 3 degrees Celsius inverse. Oh, sorry, this is 0.4. 0.4. Okay? Once I have that, I can plug this in here. 0.4 times 10 to the minus 3 delta T. Oh, oops, I can plug in the value for delta T. Delta T is 1180. Okay? I can solve for it, plug values in, solve for it, to get R0 equals to 8. Internal resistance of the batteries. Batteries and generators have a resistance by themselves. In batteries, the internal resistance is due to chemicals. In generators, they could be due to wires and other components of the generator itself. The internal resistance is connected always in series with equivalent resistance in the circuit, and this causes the terminal voltage to drop below the EMF that is provided from the external source. The internal resistance is not necessarily negligible in all situations. In most cases, it can be ignored, but in particular cases, we have to consider the internal resistance of the battery itself.